In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a parameter in Tableau. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and creating parameters can greatly enhance your ability to interact with your data dynamically. Whether you're new to Tableau or just looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to tableau.com. If you haven't already signed in, you might need to do so to access your Tableau workspace. Once you're there, you'll be on the main page where you can see your recent projects. Click on the Recent section to find the project you're currently working on. This is a quick way to jump back into your work without having to search through all your files. Now that you have your project open, direct your attention to the left side of your screen, where you'll find the Tables section. Click on this section to access the various tables you're working with. This will be important as we move forward with creating a parameter, as it will help you understand where your data is located and how it can be manipulated. Next, look for the Parameters option. You will usually find this on the lower part of your left panel. Click on it to start creating a new parameter. Parameters are incredibly useful in Tableau as they allow you to add dynamic controls to your visualization, making your dashboards more interactive and user-friendly. Once you click on Parameters, a dialog box will appear. This is where you will enter the details of the parameter you wish to create. Begin by entering a name for your parameter. It's a good idea to use a descriptive name that makes it clear what the parameter will control. For example, if you're creating a parameter to filter data by year, you might simply name it Year Filter. After naming your parameter, it's time to set its properties. This is where you define what type of data your parameter will hold, such as integer, float, string, or date. You can also set a range of values, a list of allowable values, or even use values from your data source. Setting these properties correctly is crucial as it determines how flexible and useful your parameter will be. Once you've entered all the necessary information and are satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click OK. This will save your parameter and make it available for use in your Tableau project. Now, you can incorporate this parameter into your visualizations, allowing you to dynamically adjust your data views and improve your analytical capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully created a parameter in Tableau. By following these steps, you can now add more interactivity and control to your dashboards, making your data analysis more robust and engaging. Feel free to experiment with different types of parameters to see how they can best serve your data visualization needs. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.